everyone, welcome back. Today we're making some vegan peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. They're so easy to make and they're so delicious. Stay tuned. So for ingredients, you're going to need some peanut butter, sugar, oat milk, flour, baking soda, vanilla extract, salt, and of course you can't forget the chocolate chips, and of course they're vegan. Now it's time to get the mixing bowl out and measure out 1 cup of peanut butter. Mix that together with 1 cup of sugar. And you want to mix that until it's fully incorporated together. Next, you're going to add 6 tablespoons of oat milk. And to that, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Then 1 cup total of flour. Now 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a big pinch of salt. Next, you're going to mix together these ingredients until they're fully combined again. And last but not least, your chocolate chips. I added about 3/4 of a cup, but you could add however much you like. Now mix to combine everything. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now it's time to shape the cookies. Grab a baking sheet, line it with parchment paper, and then you're gonna make balls with the dough. And then once you do that, you put it on the baking sheet, and then you're gonna squash it in 2 directions with a fork, as I do here. And that's all you have to do. Just repeat that until you finish filling up your cookie sheet, and then we're ready to go. Here's what all my little cookies look like. They're ready to be baked in the oven. So now you're going to put your baking sheet into the preheated oven and bake for about 12 to 14 minutes, depending on how well done you want them. And then once they're done, you just take them out the oven, let them cool for 5-10 minutes, and then you're ready to go. These cookies are so addicting, and I originally got this idea just from Reese's peanut butter cups. So if you're a fan of those, or if you're making these for someone who likes peanut butter chocolate, there you go. These are definitely a go-to recipe from now on for me, and they're so easy to make. They're so soft and delicious and peanut buttery and chocolatey. They're just all that good stuff. If you like this video and try out this recipe, make sure to let me know in the comments. I would love to know how you like it. And also, if you haven't already, please subscribe, like, comment on this video. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you next time.